Just Queensland Tropical Coast is a production featuring generous clips of trains operating on the 1067mm gauge of the Queensland Railways North Coast and hinterland, including QR National Freight trains, QR Traveltrain passenger services and Pacific National Queensland freight services. Greg Travers presents these trains in fast-paced, widescreen action, all filmed during 2007. Subtitles brief the viewer, along with a narration added over the top of less sensitive train sounds. The narration may be switched to off so that only the train noise is heard, and there's lots of it. We're sure that you'll enjoy Just Queensland Tropical Coast.